Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on the recommended videos notification feature in YouTube on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to enable this notification setting and stay updated with personalized recommendations. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Look for the Settings option, usually located in the top right corner of the YouTube interface. Click on it. Step 3. Within the Settings menu, find and click on the Notifications option. Step 4. In the Notifications section, locate the Recommended Videos option and toggle it on to enable the notification feature for personalized recommendations. By following these quick and easy steps, you can receive notifications for recommended videos that align with your interests and preferences. This feature helps you discover new content and stay engaged with the YouTube community. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy personalized recommendations on YouTube.